Hello students, welcome to my channel Online Biology Tutorials. We are studying chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life, and in this video we will talk about plastids, which are important cell organelles only found in the plant cell. So when we will be writing the differences between plant cell and animal cell, this will be one of the point that plastids are being found in the plant cell and not in the animal cell. Now to study the plastids, we will be making a concept map, a flow chart. Now plastids are of three types in the plant, right? The first one is known as chloroplast. The second one is known as chromoplast. And the third one is known as the leucoplast. We will be studying one by one the structure of all these. Now chloroplast includes all the green colored plastids. Okay, so all the green colored plastids are known as chloroplast. The structure of chloroplast is very important again. Now whenever you will be making chloroplast, you have to make two membranes, okay, like this. Here I have made two membranes. And in between you will make such structures one after the other. Here you can see that I am making a piled structure. Remember, suppose you have taken a 1 rupee coin. This 1 rupee coin is equal to the thylakoid that I have drawn here. I am coloring it with this color, orange. Okay, this is our thylakoid. Okay. Now whenever you will make the collection of or the pile of thylakoid, the pile of thylakoid is going to be known as grana, right? So this one structure is our grana, and in the given image on the left side I have drawn 4 grana. These grana, they are interconnected to each other. Right? They are connected to each other. So in the figure you can see the structure of the chloroplast where grana and thylakoid are being seen. Now we have seen the basic structure. I would be making a bigger diagram for more clarity. This is our outer chloroplast membrane drawn with the help of green color. Now I am taking a lighter shade, and this is our inner chloroplast membrane. We will be writing the names of both. This is outer chloroplast membrane. Plants also fall in the category of eukaryotic cell. Okay, so that's why we are drawing two membranes. This is outer chloroplast membrane. This is inner chloroplast membrane. Right? Now inside we have already seen that grana are being formed, and grana, they are formed by the collection of thylakoids, and all the granas, they are interconnected to each other by a membrane which is known as fret membrane. What is it known as? Fret, F-R-E-T membrane. As the base of the cell is known as cytoplasm, similarly in the chloroplast also the base material is there, which I am coloring as yellow, and this base material is being known as stroma. Okay, stroma. Other than this, in the stroma itself, you can see that I am making dots with the help of orange color, and these dots show DNA. That means chloroplast is also semi-autonomous in nature. If you haven't watched my video on mitochondria where I have explained what is semi-autonomous, right? Please do consider that you should watch it. Okay, the link of it would be given in the I button. Chloroplast also contains its DNA, right? And chloroplast is one of the plastid that contains chlorophyll inside it. Now, what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green colored pigment. This is very important that at your level you should know the difference between chlorophyll and chloroplast. Chloroplast is an example of a plast, and chlorophyll is the pigment found inside the chloroplast that imparts or gives green color to the stem and the leaves. Now, the major role of chloroplast is to do photosynthesis with the help of chlorophyll. And to do photosynthesis, it also requires enzymes, right? So that is why the presence of DNA is helpful, because the enzymes that this DNA is going to make, it will be utilized in the photosynthesis process. So we can define chloroplast as the green color plastid which contains the chlorophyll and helps in photosynthesis. Let's come to another plastid which is chromoplast. Okay, so our next plastid is chromoplast. How are you going to define it? It includes all the non-green colorful plastids. All the non-green colorful plastids are a part of chromoplast, and these impart color to the petals. You might have seen flowers with different colors. Why are they being differently colored? Because of the chromoplast. Fruits are brilliantly colored. Why? Why are they colored? Because of the chromoplast. This all we have to study in the chromoplast. Now let's come to the leucoplast, which are the last type of plastids. So these are colorless plastids. These are colorless plastids, and depending upon what is stored in them, they could be of three types. If they are storing starch, they have got a different name. If they are storing fats, they have got a different name. And if they are storing proteins, they have got a different name. Now, what are the names? We will call them as amyloplast if they are storing starch. We will call them as elaioplast if they are storing fat. We will call them as eleuroplast if they are storing proteins. So this is important that leucoplast is actually a colorless plastid. Depending upon what type of food it is storing, if it is storing starch, it will be named as amyloplast. If it is storing fat, it will be known as elaioplast. If it is storing proteins, it will be known as eleuroplast. Remember, a long note may come on what are plastids and what are the various types of it. So please do prepare this question in detail. Another thing, the last part of this video is obviously the question. Now my question is, which plastid imparts color to the fruits and vegetables? Here, when I am talking about vegetables, I am talking about other than green color. I'm not talking about green color here. I'm asking about a plastid that imparts colors to the fruits and to the vegetables that are other than green color. Okay. The students who will be giving answer to this question in the comment section, their name will definitely be spoken in the upcoming videos. I hope everybody has liked this video. Do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the recent updates from my channel. There is a complete playlist of this chapter in the playlist part of my YouTube channel. The students who are facing any difficulty in checking the videos, it's very simple. You can come to my channel, go in the playlist, a chapter with the name The Fundamental Unit of Life is there, and there the videos are being uploaded in the chronological order. You have to watch the video that was uploaded very first, and then you need to come to the second, third, fourth, and so on and so forth. In case of any query, you may reach out to me on my email that has already been given in the description. See you in next video with some more learning. Thank you.